Marhaba everyone, let me show you Kalekent. Kalekent is one of the amazing projects in Beylikduzu. It's located in Adnan Kahwaji Mahallasi in the center of Beylikduzu. The project has two phases, or Kalekent 1 and Kalekent 2. This one is Kalekent 1 and on the left side will be Kalekent 2. Combining both parts of the project will make Kalekent one of the biggest projects in Beylikduzu. It's also located next to the Yesham Wadi, one of the biggest parks in Beylikduzu. The project itself has a lot of greenery, fountains, and very good social facilities for the residents. The project is also very near to Beylikduzu Bazar.